Today, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Maono PD300X USB/XLR microphone. Now, before I begin the unboxing, I just want to say thank you to Maono for sending this out to me. And without further ado, let's just get into the video. Alright guys, as you can see, this was everything that was inside of the box. So the first thing we have is the cable for the mic. This is USB to USB-C, but it does have a dongle attachment in the front, so you can make a USB-C to USB-C. So the second thing we have is the user manual, and it's pretty useful. It shows you what the buttons do and how you can connect it to different things. Alright guys, the third thing we have here is this little pamphlet showing you what Maono Arena is. It's their free mixer app, so it's a virtual mixer where you can change your sound and you can have like a little soundboard, so check it out. So the last thing before the mic is this little adapter. You can use it to screw your microphone onto another boom arm. This is the mic itself. It's the Maono PD300X. It has a full metal body, and this thing you can attach to your boom arm. It has a knob that's also a button as well, alongside a mute button which you can customize. At the back of the mic you have USB-C, XLR, and aux. This mic also has a metal shock mount, making it very stable when you use it. Now we're going to be setting the microphone up to my old boom arm because it does not come with any type of stand. Alright guys, so I just got the mic set up, we unboxed it and everything, and this is my first sound test of the mic. So this is like my first time ever using the mic. Right now on OBS looks pretty good, but yeah, let's see how it sounds. Alright guys, so the mic does have its own app called Maono Link where you can customize things in. It has its own recorder so you can play your voice back and see what settings sound like. It has a gain and volume adjuster alongside a noise gate adjuster. It also has things you can change your mute key to, so when you hold it for 2 seconds, you can decide what function it has. It also has scenes, so you have podcasts, gaming, reading, stuff like that. And you can make your own custom EQ presets. Alright, so if you're like me and you don't understand how any of this works, there is a website specifically made for this mic. It's pretty nice. It helped me understand the settings, so you can check it out. It'll be in the description. Alright, so now that we're done unboxing and setting the mic up, I want to tell you guys some of the technical details. So it has a sampling rate of 192 kilohertz or 24 bits, and it has advanced DSP functions, which basically means it has better noise reduction and compression alongside a bunch of other things. So in my personal review and opinion, I really like this mic. I think it's pretty nice. It looks nice, looks premium. It has this like nice feel to it. I really like the functional buttons and the customizable mute button with the knobs and like the lights and everything is very cool. I really just overall love the mic. There's one small con, which is like the cable is a little too short, but that has nothing to do with the quality. All the voiceovers in this video were done with this mic, so you can tell the quality is not bad. It's pretty good in my opinion. But if you are looking for a mic, make sure to check this one out. Link in the description. And I just want to say huge thanks to Maono for sending this out. Also, thanks to you guys for watching this video. Subscribe, like, comment, blah, blah, blah. You know what. And I'll see you guys in the next video.